Ever wondered how to protect your restaurant from the unexpected? Let's dive into the essentials. I spend my time in Oklahoma restaurants, talking with owners and chefs, getting the real scoop. I know what can derail a week in your restaurant. Let's make sure one bad hour doesn't wreck your month. First up, general liability is your safety net. It covers accidents like slips and falls. Think about a kid bumping a space heater on the patio. You want coverage for those moments. And if a to-go order triggers a peanut allergy, general liability has your back. Here's a tip: don't underfund your medical payments limit. A small payment can settle minor injuries fast. And when a landlord wants to be an additional insured, ensure they have primary wording. It keeps you covered first. Next, I'll take a look at your lease and layout. A tight dining room can change your insurance needs. If your patio has steps or you host private events, we'll adjust your limits accordingly. Now let's talk commercial property. This is everything inside your restaurant that makes money. From fryers and ovens to that quirky neon sign, everything needs coverage, especially in Oklahoma's crazy weather. A solid property coverage will be your repair and replace budget if disaster strikes. Two key details: replacement cost versus actual cash value. You want replacement cost to avoid losses. Coinsurance can be tricky. Underinsure and expect cuts on claims. No one wants that on a bad day. Don't forget about your exterior signs. List those with actual value. They face the wind hard here. What if the power goes out on a Friday? You'd lose prime income and perishables. This is where business income kicks in. Business income pays for the net income you would have earned and ongoing bills like rent and payroll. Extra expense helps keep you running. Think temporary refrigeration or a generator. Stay ready. Ask for utility service interruption. If the substation fails, you need coverage, even if your building is fine. Civil authority coverage means if access to your restaurant is blocked due to a nearby emergency, you're still covered. When I do walkthroughs, I check roof age, panel locations, and how exposed your patio equipment is. These details help size your downtime risk. We want business income limits that match your burn rate. Next, let's tackle equipment breakdown. It covers failures that property coverage usually skips. A power surge can ruin your HVAC, but with equipment breakdown, you're covered. It's affordable and often saves more than you expect. Most owners want it after the first mishap. Food spoilage and contamination are crucial areas. Spoilage covers losses from temperature issues. Contamination covers when the health department forces you to toss food. Be prepared. Take a real inventory for spoilage. Don't guess. Count it all. Meats, dairy, produce. Add a cushion for busy times. Holidays mean more inventory stacks. Don't underinsure this line. Now, if you have employees, you absolutely need workers' compensation. Kitchen work is risky. It covers medical bills and a share of lost wages, protecting you from employee lawsuits. To help your rate, keep logs on cleanings and enforce safety protocols. It's all about culture. Track incidents early and fix patterns. A clean safety record is rewarded by carriers. Let's share two stories you'll relate to. First up, the Edmond Bistro facing a 3-day outage. A windstorm knocked out power. They had business income insurance with utility interruption, so payroll was safe. They documented their losses and stayed open, ensuring guests returned when things were back up and running. Next, a taco shop with a friendly favor gone wrong. A delivery turned into a claim. A server delivered an order but had a minor accident. Thanks to hired and non-owned auto coverage, it was taken care of. Without that coverage, it could have dragged on for weeks through personal auto insurance. Let's look at common mistakes. Underfunding spoilage limits is up there. Don't risk your inventory. No utility service coverage can leave you vulnerable. Be proactive and add it to your business income. Missing replacement cost? That's a costly mistake when you need to replace equipment. Coinsurance traps can punish you on claims. Set honest limits to avoid the headache. Assuming liquor coverage is included, that's a big oversight in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol. Finally, don't set your workers' comp and forget it. Keep updating your payroll to avoid audit headaches. Here's a quick checklist for restaurant owners. Keep this handy. General liability with MedPay, property with replacement cost, and solid business income coverage. Plus equipment breakdown, spoilage limits, and a workers' comp policy that tracks safety. Got questions about your coverage? Let's connect. I'm here to help you navigate the ins and outs of restaurant insurance.